What is computer vision? Computer vision is a powerful branch of artificial intelligence that allows machines to see and understand images or videos like humans do. It works by using cameras to capture visual data, then applies machine learning models to interpret what's in those visuals, such as faces, objects, or patterns. Every time you unlock your phone with Face ID, scan a barcode, or see a self-driving car detect pedestrians, that's computer vision in action. In healthcare, it helps detect diseases in X-rays. In retail, it tracks customer behavior. In security, it identifies intruders. Computer vision is transforming industries by making them faster, smarter, and more efficient. It's like giving eyes and a brain to computers. Follow EduAIverse for more amazing insights into how AI is shaping our world, simplified for everyone.